Welcome to my analog electronics session, and in this session I'm going to show how to create a triangular wave in Ltspice. First of all, we are going to take the voltage component. If you don't know how to create a voltage component and connect it with the ground and another node, you can check out my another electronics video in the description box. So let us begin how to create the triangular wave. Now I'm going to right click on the voltage component and select advanced. After that we have to click pulse. Now we have to set the amplitude of the triangular wave. Let us take 2, and after that the period. Let us take the period is 0.01, and T rise and T fall, that should be the half of the period. So T rise should be 0.005 and default should be 0.005. Now click OK. Now we have to run it to observe the triangular wave. After that, click on the V node and you can zoom it to observe the triangular wave clearly. And so this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Bye.